Hello everyone and welcome back. In our previous videos, we walked through how to create your projects on Cloudsania using the easy mode, the developer mode, and the professional mode. Today, we are focusing on a crucial aspect of modern development workflow, which is integrating your code repository with Cloudsania. Today, I will walk us through how to integrate Github on Cloudsania, and this allows you to seamlessly connect your code repositories with Cloudsania, enabling automated deployments, continuous integration, and streamlined collaboration. This integration ensures that your latest code changes are efficiently deployed to your environment, enhancing your development and deployment processes. So let's walk through the steps to set up GitHub integration in Cloudsania. First, when you land on the home page, you can find some quick start options, and here you will find integrate your code repository. When you click on this card, you will be navigated to the integrations page, or you can move on to the side nav bar and you'll find the integration option. So we can click on this and we'll be navigated to the integrations page. Now you want to locate the GitHub integration option. Here we can find it here. You can also go to the developer tools tab and you find the GitHub integration option here. Next, we want to click on this toggle, which will display a modal for you to enable the GitHub integration. By clicking on confirm, we will be redirected to the GitHub authorization page. So let's go. So now I have to sign into my GitHub to continue to Cloudsania. So I'm just going to click on sign in. So now we need to select the account we would like to install the Cloudsania app. So I will select this as the account. Next, we need to install and authorize the Cloudsania app on our GitHub account. You want to firstly review the permissions requested by Cloudsania, and here you'll find that we are requesting permission to read, access to your code, your commit statuses, your merge queues and metadata, as well as read and write access to your repository hook. Next, you want to choose the specific repositories that you want to integrate with Cloudsania. You can decide to select all repositories, where this will apply to all current and future repositories owned by the source owner. This also includes public repositories. Or you click on only select repositories, where you get to select at least one repository. Also, this includes public repositories. So I'm going to go with this all repository option and click on install and authorize. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Cloudsania. Here, as you can see, the GitHub integration was successful and you have successfully integrated your GitHub account with Cloudsania. And you can click on done. The GitHub integration option is now enabled, and this means you've successfully set up GitHub integration in Cloudsania. And by connecting your GitHub repositories with Cloudsania, you enhance collaboration and accelerate your deployments and development cycle. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore how to connect your Cloudsania organization accounts with your cloud service provider accounts. Thank you.